Okay, we have another question. Jamb 2004, question 43. If 6 log 2 base s minus 3 log 3 base s equal 3 log 0.2 base 5, find x. Okay, we are going to solve the value of s at the end of the solution will determine the best option to pick. Okay, we have the question 6 log 2 base s minus 3 log 3 base s equal 3 log 0.2 base 5. This one is logarithmic equation. Okay, I will have to factor out 3. I will have to factor out 3. Okay, it means that 3 can divide both at the same time, meaning I need to factor it out. I will now have 3 outside. Here, if I factor here, that is to say, if 3 divides 6, here will be 2 log 2 base s. Here will be left with log 3 base x. I will have to put this very one in brackets. I will now have equal 3 log 0.2. And this very one can also be taken as 2. I need to move these very points once. I can as well take it as 2 over 10. 2 over 10, still working with base 5. Okay, remember when you divide 2 by 10, you're going to have 0.2. Okay, now for this one, these 3 can kill this 3, you can eliminate it. And what will be left will be 2 log 2 base s minus log 3 base s. And we still have the other one that equal log. Okay, for this I can reduce it. Can look for a number that can divide both at the same time. 2 can divide it. 2 divide 2, it will be 1. 2 divide 10, it will be 5. Here is base 5. Okay, for this I will have to transfer this very one. The position of this one to change. Now come to the top. I will now have log 2 power 2 base x minus log 3 base x equal, for this one I can take it as negative exponents. That is, it become 5 power minus 1. 5 power minus 1. Okay, the base will still remain. The base will still remain. Okay, these two here can okay, we can now save 2 times 2. At this point, we can save 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay, remember there is subtraction. We can apply the law of subtraction. Of course, we have it as division. If we apply it here, we are going to have, by the very first one, we have the one of 2 squared. And 2 squared will give us 4. Remember I told you, okay, we are going to maintain the base of s. And for this minus we divide, we are going to say 4 divides 3. For this very one, for this one. You know the where I got 4, I simply multiply 2 times to have 4. Okay? Apply the law, I will have this. Okay, for this one, remember I can change the power. The negatives exponent need to go back. I will now have the 1 of minus 1 at the back. I will now have log 5 base 5. Here we have logarithm to its own base. Logarithm to its own base. It means that logarithm to its own base is 1. I will now have log 4 over 3 base s equal minus 1, because this one will give us 1. 1 times minus 1 will still give us minus 1. Okay, we now have another equation, logarithmic equation. It means that I need to equalize it. I need to have the log of base s on the other side. The only way to do that, I will have to consider the base I have here, which is s. Okay, I'm going to now have on the other side minus 1 log one here at the back, we need to move. This one need to move to the top. I'll move it to the top. Here we still have log 4 over 3 is s. Okay, for this one, we move it up, become log s power minus 1 is x. Okay, we now have logarithm to the same base. On both sides of the equation, I can eliminate. Here is now 4 over 3 equal s power minus 1. Here, for this one here, please, I want to just work here out. This one simply means, for this one, we have it as 1 over s. Please take note of that. We have it as 1 over s. Okay, let me just have it here. That is, we are going to have 4 over 3 equal 1 over s. Please don't forget that. And we are looking for s. I can change this one, bring it to the numerator, while 1 will come to the denominator. Okay, if I change this one, the position of these two, 1 and s, it means I will also do the same thing to 4 and 3. Okay, it means that for this one, which is 1 over s, it can also be taken as s over 1. It means that I will also take this one like that. Let us say 3 over 4. It means that this one will also change position. And at the end, s divided 1 is going to be s. Okay, here is already proper fraction. We cannot reduce it, and we can leave it in this very form because it is just a proper fraction. We can have it as 3 over 4. It means that for s now, the best option is C. Thank you for joining me once again. All the best.